Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Maxeon Solar Technologies. I've talked about them in the past. It's been one of my highest viewed videos on solar stocks, so I was going to do an update on it here. I haven't talked about this one in a while. Again, this is Maxeon Solar Technologies, ticker MAXN. Here you can kind of see what it's done over the last year. So it's been kind of up and down from the 13 range on up to 55 and back down to where it's at right now at 1595. Here's a look over the last 3 months, down 11, almost 12%. Over the last month, again, it's down 11.35%, down 13.93% in the last week, and actually having a good day today at 3.57% up for the day. Could have got a dip at 1491. Looks like it's went up to 1582, 1584, 1601, and right now at 1594. If you don't know what this one is, it's just as it says, it's a solar technology, engages in the manufacturer and marketer of premium solar power technology. It products include Maxeon line of IBC solar cells and panels. Found in 2019, 681,000 average volume, so not a whole lot of volume on this one, and a $787 million market cap. So a little bit smaller company. Earnings are expected on August 19th, so if you have this one, you might want to put that on your calendar as well. I've talked about all these on the channel here before. Sun Power, Sunrun is one of my favorites. Enphase I've done videos on, and Plug Power. So all some of my favorite stocks. So anything in the solar, green, EV, talk about them all on the channel here. So here's why Maxeon Solar Technologies, ticker MAXN, stock volatility recorded over the last month was 7.88%, and this is just dated on the 15th. So the current stock price of Maxeon Technologies, which was $16.70 to be very precise, stock rose vividly during the last session to $18.50 after opening rate of $18.47, while the lowest price it went was recorded $16.39 before closing at $18.48. Recently in the news on July 13th, Maxeon Technology has extended its AC energy solutions portfolio, further advancing its beyond the panel strategy. The new Performance 3 AC panel will complement existing Maxeon AC offering, and you can read further details by clicking on the link there. And moving on, again, you can find this on investchronicle.com. So price records that include history of low and high prices in the period of 52-week highs can tell a lot about the stock's existing status and the future performance. Presently, Maxeon Solar Technology shares are logging a minus 71.19 during the 52-week period, from high price and 41.76 higher than the lowest price point for the same time frame. The stock's price range for a 52-week period managed to maintain the performance between $11.78 and $57.97, so quite a lot of volatility there. So when it comes to the year-to-date metrics, Maxeon Solar Technologies recorded performance in the market was down 41.14%, having the revenue showcasing down 27.01% on a quarterly basis in comparison with the same period a year before. At the time of this writing, the total market value of the company is set at $719 million, and its employees total 4,609 workers. Specialist analysis on Maxeon Solar Technologies Limited. During the last year, one analyst gave the Maxeon a buy rating. 0 of the polled analysis branded the stock as overweight. Analysts were recommending to hold its stock. 0 of them gave the stock underweight rating, and 1 polled analyst provided a sell rating. and feel free to pause and go over the rest of the information there. Moving on, Maxeon Solar Technologies extends its AC energy solutions portfolio, further advancing its beyond the panel strategy. This is dated on the 13th. So Maxeon is a global leader in solar innovation and channels today announces the extension of its AC energy solutions with the launch of the new Performance 3 AC panel. This is the second product in the company's AC portfolio and follows the introduction of the premium Maxeon 5 AC panel in late 2020. Maxeon Solar, underneath the SunPower brand to residential customers, is the key international markets through authorized installer networks and distributors starting in the third quarter of 2021. And I've talked about a lot of solar stocks here on the channel, quite a few of them, everything from on the NASDAQ to the over-the-counter, so I'll go ahead and link those all in the description as well. So the new Performance 3 AC panel offers installers more efficient installation, simplified logistics and stock management, and more flexible system designs. For homeowners, this advanced solar solution can provide a system designed to maximize power output on their home's unique roof and offers superior reliability in real-world conditions with like weather, events, and shade. The AC architecture gives the flexibility to expand the solar system as energy needs evolve, accommodating EV charging, so right there you go. AC storage and electrification of home appliances and more. So major catalyst right there in regards to EV charging, since EVs obviously aren't going away and just keep getting more popular, and sales keep going up, and more and more companies out there are selling EVs. So definitely a big catalyst in regards to this one. And I'm just going to keep slowly scrolling through. For those of you that would like to pause and read over the rest, feel free. Or you can find this on markets.businessinsider.com. Along with a 25-year on-roof product warranty, AC Energy Solutions from Maxeon appeal to even the most demanding customer. Solutions offer a unique solution to customers who may not have been qualified for a conventional string system, so it's a great opportunity for us to reach new customers. We are excited to add the Performance 3 AC panel to our product offering to ensure we are providing the highest quality solar system to our Australia-wide market. Single concluded. And moving on over here to Reddit. Not a whole lot of information here on Reddit, other than it's fallen 50%, which I already pointed out in the beginning. Over here on StockTwits, currently at $15.99, a low of $11.78, a high of $57.97, so quite a bit of volatility there, and 390,000 shares, the volume being traded. So kind of a small volume on this one. Need to break 1590 today. Somewhat worried about us hitting new lows, and could be, but again, that could present a buying opportunity, and these are all long-term holds for myself. Any solar stock, EV. I've talked about SunPower here on the channel, Maxeon we're covering, and I've covered Enphase here on the channel as well. Enphase has just been a huge growth one here lately, so over the last year actually. After adding to all my positions today, I think we all feel like that from time to time. So and over here on tip ranks, currently at 1596, showing a hold and a 31.58% upside to $21, a high of 33 and a low of 14. That's all I have on Maxeon. If you have any shares of this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis and any other solar plays that you may have. And any other information in regards to Maxeon Solar or MAXN that you might have that we could share, that would be helpful as well. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I broke 1,000 and just trying to get up to the next level and see where that takes us. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is Jay Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.